Hi, I'm Pocholo and welcome to Makersauce. Today I'm going to be showing you how I made a pocket-sized popcorn machine. And yes, it's one of those things again that fits in your pocket. So today, I'll show you how I made it. So today, I'll be walking you through the process of how you should be using this machine that you just built. I'm assuming you follow the instructions in Instructables.com, and I'll show you how you could operate this machine that I just had built. Although the first thing you really need for this thing is a can. So I decided to use this for collecting our popcorn. And hold on. Gotta finish it up first. I'll be back. Okay, so I'm back home and I just finished my coffee, so all we're left with is a can. Now, what we want to do is to take off the bottom, make it fit to our popcorn machine. So how we're gonna do that is, I actually need eye protection, is this. I'll get back to you guys. Okay, I know we have crappy audio right now, but I did it. It's hollow now. So now, why do we need this? It's because if we don't have it, oil's gonna spill everywhere. That's why we just simply put it over here. That's how it works. Alright, let me walk you through the process of how to set up your popcorn machine. First of all, you have your oil. Dump in like about that much. That's around a teaspoon, half of it. And some popcorn. You could buy in your grocery stores. Dump in like about, just fill it up, you know, to be safe. Now, how you start off this thing is you push down your gas valve. Now I could, while it's down, press your ignition. Now you hold it on for a little while and let it heat up for about a minute. So while you're doing that, you could leave it alone, place in your collector. Let's wait for it for a bit. Oh my god. Oh shit. So you reached the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I know this is my first prototype. I've came across a lot of problems with it, but I'm gonna make sure in the next video I'll be posting exactly the steps and how to make it. Well, as for now, the instructions of it is posted on Instructables.com. I hope you vote for me in the pocket-sized contest. I'll see you next time. Peace.